Hey, look, it's raining in the rainforest. Imagine that. That explains why all these plants are here. Whew. That actually feels nice. So it's like 80 degrees, so the rain feels good. I was going hiking in some type of rainforest in Puerto Rico. Not as in good a shape as I think I am. In my brain, I'm in great shape, but reality is reality. My family's way up there, but I decided to take my time. But it's real pretty up here. It's all cloudy, a lot different than the desert. And even though it's hotter in the desert, of course the humidity, it just makes it very hard to breathe.